As we discussed, the top number of a time signature indicates how many beats are in a measure. The number of beats per measure indicate if the time signature is simple or compound, and duple or triple or quadruple. A time signature can also be irregular time beat. The term duple, 2, triple, 3, and quadruple, 4 refer to the number of beats in a measure. Simple means that each of the beats can be divided into 2 notes, while compound means each beat can be divided into 3 notes. The following are examples of irregular time signatures. Tempo indicates the beat or pulse speed of a song and is measured in beats per minute or BPM. Since the duration of music notes and rests are measured in beats, there is a connection between tempo, time signature, and note values. A note value is always given with a tempo to indicate what is the note value of the beat. If the tempo is 120 half notes per BPM with a 4/2 time signature, it would mean that there are 120 half note beats per minute with 4 half note beats per measure. 70 dotted quarter note BPM with a 6/8 time signature means that there are 70 dotted quarter note beats per minute with 2 dotted quarter notes per measure. Let's look at an interesting illustration to show the relationship between tempo, time signature, and note values. Here are 2 rhythmic patterns. Both rhythmic patterns have identical note values. The top rhythm's tempo is 120 quarter note BPM with a 4/4 time signature. The bottom rhythm's tempo is 120 half note BPM with a 4/2 time signature. As you listen to these 2 patterns, focus on the tempo and speed of the rhythmic patterns. Let's listen to the top pattern. And now the bottom pattern. Did you notice that the tempo speed is the same for both patterns, but the bottom pattern sounds quicker than the top pattern? This shows how the note values, tempo, and time signatures all affect the rhythm of music.